lesser than adults. And so if the helmet was full, it would have a lot more movement around the neck. So this is the best design that you can do, such that the entire pressure of the helmet in case of impact is in a very snug way and it's spread across the entire head. It's not just loose over here. Because of that, this is the way this helmet is designed. Hi. So every time I used to go to work, I would see Mumbai, a city which is not like Bangalore, where it is not mandated for anybody to wear helmets. And so you would find the in front will be wearing a helmet. The woman at the back or the child is not wearing a helmet. And I think I kept seeing it day after day after day. And that's when I realized that this was not just an opportunity, but it needed to be done. It had to be a mission. You can't have so many children. So the number of deaths of kids and women, wheel riders are times more likely to die than the man.
What did you wrote?
RCB top, CSK lollipop.
So, here I am, sitting right and Karabul.
Lovely to be here, Raghunath. I was quite impressed and fascinated by the deep thinking in Para. Let's start with Para. Deep thinking that has gone into the need of a woman. And I'll start with this earring notch.
Hi. So every time I used to go to work, I would see Mumbai, a city which is not like Bangalore, where it is not mandated for anybody to wear helmets. And so you would find the in front will be wearing a helmet. The woman at the back or the child is not wearing a helmet. And I think I kept seeing it day after day after day. And that's when I realized that this was not just an opportunity, but it needed to be done. It had to be a mission. You can't have so many children. When I saw the number of deaths of kids and women, pillion riders are 2.3 times more likely to die than the man in front. It just seemed like somebody had to do it. And so here I am, making hype and Parabol, upping the quality of the product.
And how long has this journey been, the Twara journey?
Size, and also to take care of things like earrings, to take care of things like their hair getting caught in the helmet. They are also designed so that they are very stylish and they are very fun to wear. We've also launched the children's helmets called Hype. The Hype children's helmets again are engineered for head sizes for kids to understand that children's necks are much thinner than adult necks. So they have been made so that the neck is exposed at the back but is still covered because of the shape of the helmet. So we hope that the women and children pillion riders start wearing the Twara helmets and the Hype helmets. And the worrying thing for us was that pillion riders are 2.3 times more likely to die in accidents than the rider. So it is very, very important for pillion riders to wear helmets, and that is our hope with the launch of these two new brands. So the Twara helmet, for example, it has the EPS inside is a 45 density, the best quality men's helmet who are riding motorcycles. That quality we have used for women's helmets. The shell is made from ABS and polycarbonate. It's a very lightweight but very, very strong shell. So the helmets are light and yet very, very strong. So the safety standard for the helmet is a DOT standard. This is 50% higher than ISI in terms of impact bearing capacity. So the helmets are really, really strong and life-saving. Sorry. Online on Twara.com, on Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart and Tata Click, also Nykaa. But we also have two stores in Bangalore. We have one in Mantri, Malleshwara, and we are also in Nexus, Koramangala. And there are 4 or 5 crosswords across the country, one in Chennai, one in Hyderabad, and 3 in Bangalore. So we are trying out stores, and if it does well, we will expand to over 50 stores by the end of the year. So, yeah.
Thank you.